Hi everyone, this is what you do with your extra towel to decorate the top of your tub. This is my first step. I will show you now how I place these up here. Now, let me tell you, you must come across here and press because these are likely to fall. Let me let you know what happened. When they fall, they break. If you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe. I do all things real estate. Normally gardening, but today this is a subway towel. I used approximately 8 subway towels to actually make all of my cuts around and my smaller cuts. So if you have any leftover subway towels, this is an easy way. Towel painted, caulk the insides, and now we're going to add leftover towel, not this size, larger, around the edges. If you wanted to make a cut, which I'm going to do down the side here, you place the towel in here and roll. It's a ball on the end of here. Roll it across the towel. You press down and you crack. The depth that I'm going to go for, I'm going to eyeball it, but I'll come down to like there to get 3 from each one of these towels. Start at the back of the towel. Just like that. Okay. It broke. A soft, gentle push. You want to make sure the towel is placed all the way back against and start at the end of the towel. You're just scorching the top. It's all painted pretty white. I have some stick and stay. I made my cuts and I'm going to place the towel going right across the top of it. Now, these are the size I use. The bigger probably will be better. You can see. But I didn't have a lot. If you wanted to go with thicker towel, you can. Those are pretty large, or with half towels. Half towels would have been a really, really good size, depending on the towel size you have already on your tub. This is the size here. If I would have went half, it would have just looked like another layer of my top layer already. So I went with a third of one towel. If I was still doing a larger project, I would have used a tool as such. You can place the stick and stay on the back of the towel and roll it, but I'm not doing all of that. If you are not using spacers, just leave space in between each towel because you will want to add grout. And I did that example to show you that they are easy to pick up. and move around. At the end is too large, so you will need to measure the correct size. Example, that's too small, so I'll make another perfect cut. These spacers are 1/16. These are less than $3. I bought mine from Lowe's. You can get yours from Walmart or any hardware store. Now I'm about to place my spacers in between, because spacers are good for grout. So remember your grout. I have white grout, and then I have like a little gray grout here, but this is unsanded. Let me make it simple for you. Unsanded is when you're not doing heavy projects. Sanded is when you are. But that's just because unsanded can fit in between smaller gaps. So that's what I'm going to use here. There are grooves. This is the extra space side here. This is what you hold to place your spacer in. And then you just squeeze your subway tiles together. Ta-da! Now I'm going to finish this up. All right, this here is how you do it easily. Wear gloves if you don't want to get your hands wet. Subway towels, you can catch them on sale in the Lowe's section. That's where I got mine. So you can get 8 subway towels for less than $1 if you're getting clearance. $5, let's just say, or 8 of them. If you paid $1, $8. Buy your spacers. Spacers you can get for less than $3. That's a $10 fix. And then grout, my grout was $11.99. So about $20 if you get a discount at Lowe's. For $20 you can just add color of your choice. You can mix and match. You can buy whatever subway towels you want. But this is how, for $20. If you want to add the paint, I got that from the clearance section. Also, I shopped clearance, you all. My paint was $8.99 for a small bucket. Paint your subway towel. Be sure to sand the towel first so it can have something to absorb too. Break it up a little bit. And then paint, hand paint with the roller. Everything you can have for under $30, definitely under $50. Give your bedroom a home makeover. I'm Essie Happily. I'm going to grout next, and then I'll show you the finished product. I added 2 grouts, a gray, and caulked the top, and white. I did white first, so that's why you can see two-tone there, which I didn't mind. That's the finished product. That's another tip. If you do not like, whatever you want to call that thing, if you not like it getting wet from hanging from the shower caddy, then I like mine in that location. Also, if you wanted to decorate and put something else up there, you can see it from the mirror. That's the mirror. That way. So I like being able to have that little extra decoration. Another tip, I mix and match my lights. And I've got sunshine on a cloudy day. Oh, patching, just work. Bathroom work. I also did the sides here. And this is a sneak peek into what's coming up. Ta-da! That's my sneak peek. And my signature. Those are my signature pieces.